Looking to generate qualified leads? Then this is the way. So in this video I'm going to explain how to generate qualified leads using a chatbot on the Instagram DMs. So this can be applied to other channels like Messenger, WhatsApp, or even on your website as well. So without any further ado, let's see how we are going to build this over here. So this is a live building tutorial. For example, we actually got this particular chatbot script over here. So this is especially for a business coach. So what happens is that we actually ask a few questions from the customers and qualify them, and after that we actually provide some kind of a recommendation about their service as well. So based on the answers, we are going to provide the recommendations as well. So here, as I mentioned, this is the chatbot script we are going to use here. So based on the budget, so one of the question is the budget. So based on the budget, we are going to give them, if the budget is 1,000 or less, we actually ask them to buy a ebook. Otherwise we simply ask them to schedule a free call as well. So that's how this particular flow looks like. So without any further ado, let's build this one, and after that once I build this quickly, after that we can actually test this one as well. So as you see here, chatbot trigger keyword. So we are going to trigger this particular chatbot using the keyword coach me. So we are going to set that as well. So here we are already in the chatbot platform over here. If you want to get more details, simply visit platform.chatmedia.com, and here we have a demo video explaining about the powerful features about our platform, and you can actually go through these kind of list of bullets over here to learn more about our platform capabilities. So let's get back to building flows. So I'm already in the flows. I'm going to build this particular flow. So let me name this flow as business coach lead qualification. So here let me create a new flow over here. Alright, business coach lead qualification. So let me move this tab over here. So as you see here, we want to start the chatbot saying this kind of message: hello, ready to boost your business, answer a few questions, and we will provide personalized resources and coaching. Tap let's go to get started. So this is just a text which will be displayed to the customer. So add content, use text, and after that we can simply add a button over here. So we can add this button, let's go. So let me paste that button over here, let's go. All right, so I don't need that thing over here. All right, I removed it. All right, so now we have this button. So we have to connect this button. So when someone is ready to go or ready to tap that particular button, we want to ask these kind of questions: what is the primary challenge in your business? And these are the 4 answers over here. So what we can do here is that you can simply connect this one to the next block, and here we want to ask questions. For that you have to use get user data, and this is the question over here: what is the primary business challenge? So here you can save this. So this will be a text input, so you can save this in the text input, and you can actually add a new variable as well: primary business challenge. So let me do that. So let me simply create this one, and we don't want to have this skip button, so they have to answer this particular question to move to the next question. So even though this is the text input, as you see we have 4 options. So what I can do here is that I can simply use this multiple choice option over here. As you see, multiple choice, and here I can use the same variable which I used, primary business challenge, and here for the multiple choice we can simply copy paste those options. So finance, and after that it is marketing. All right, and then this is team leadership over here, and finally we have this operations as well. So the customer can choose one of the options over here, and here we don't want the skip button over there, and that's it. So we can simply save it, and as you see here, you can also customize responses for the customer based on each of these responses as well. So let's say if someone chooses operations, and if you want to send a specific message, you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to send the same question once they have answered this one, we can simply use data was saved. So that means they have tapped one of these options, and we want to send the next message, which is a primary goal. So let me do the same thing over here: add content, get user data, primary goal over here, and here we can simply choose multiple choice, add new, primary business goal. So let me create that variable as well: primary business goal, and here you can simply select these options over here. So boost revenue over here, and expand market, and finally we have this increase productivity as well. All right, and here you can delete this button. So let's say once they have answered this question, we are going to ask them about the budget. So that's the final question over here. So you can simply send data, send message, add content. You can change this, you can simply paste this one over here first and give the multiple choice options over here, budget over here. Let me less than 500 or something like that, 2000. And after that we actually asking the customer to provide the email address over here. So as you see here, to provide the best, please share your email address. So we asking the email address. So we can go to the next step over here, tap on this one and ask for the email address as you see here. And by default, when you use the get user data, it will be saved in the email address. Just delete the skip button. So we actually want customers to answer this particular email address for the next step. So once they have answered the email address or provide the email address, here we are going to customize the responses based on the budget. So if someone says they have 1000 or less, then we are going to send this message. If it is 1000 or more, then we are going to send this message. So here what we can do here is that we can actually see if it is this particular number saved over here. So what I can do here is that you can add a simple condition before sending the next message. So in this condition you can check the budget is over there. So budget, this one is here. You can select less than 500, and next thing if it is 500 to 1000. So if it is that kind of budget, so as you see, budget is less than 500 or 500 to 1000, we want to push them to buy this ebook. So it says, thank you for your interest in our business coaching services. Based on your specific needs and goals, we recommend our comprehensive ebook. This is the ebook title, it is packed with value, and simply provide the ebook link to buy on Amazon as well. So if I click on this particular button, it will actually take them directly to Amazon. So that's it. So let me choose this one. So if someone says less than 1000 budget, we want to send these messages. So let me send this message over here, and you can add a delay as well. Add a delay, and after that you can send the ebook title. So we are doing these kind of things just to enable the customers so that they can actually read whatever we are actually sending them. It is packed with business journeys over here. If you want, you can add delays again as well and move this down. So you have delays set up over here, and it says please tap the button below to get access. So let me add the delay again as well, and text, and here we want to add this particular Amazon book link. So here you can use emojis as well, and here let me copy this link over here, and here I'm going to use a button over here. So go to, or we can buy now, something like that, and paste that link. That's it. So here you can see the Amazon book link is pasted. That's it. So we have done with this. If someone says 1000 or less, we are going to send this message. If someone says they have a budget is over 1000, so automatically if this particular budget condition doesn't meet, that means they have chooses 1000 or more. So we can simply use this button over here and send these kind of messages and ask them to schedule the appointment. So let me copy this one over here, add button. Or what we can do is we can actually delete and make a delay over here, and use this text again. Please use the following link to book appointment. Shoots you best, some of that. Schedule let me simply copy paste it. Schedule appointment. Alright, so we have just created this particular lead qualification flow, and we also actually recommending a service for your customers based on their budget as well. So here we have to trigger this chatbot when someone says coach me. So let me simply copy this one over here. Let me publish this one. So to test this particular, so to set the keyword triggers, you have to go to automated responses over here, and in the automated responses you can simply use if the user message is coach me, you can simply trigger the flow, which is business coach lead qualification, this one, and click save. So when someone says coach me, it simply triggers the chatbot. So let me show a demo of how this can actually works on the Instagram. Here we are already in the Instagram, so let me DM the keyword coach me and see what happens. And as you see, we exactly received this particular message over here. Tap let's go to get started, and after that it will ask the business challenge. What's your primary challenge in your business? So they can choose whatever the options they want. Marketing. And what is the primary goal for your business? So it says select from options, because if the character is over 20 characters, then it will simply push the customer to open a browser and select the option. So that's one limitations that is coming from the Instagram. But if you make the options a little bit less characters, then they can simply choose within the DM as well. So that's one thing you have to note. So here I can choose only one option and simply click continue, and it will go to the next question automatically. So let's see what happens. So as you see here, we received what's the budget. So if I simply press on this button, by now it will take them directly to Amazon to buy the product as well. So this is how the lead generation flow works. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.